Send this message to Enugu State Government House. Send this message to Anambra State Government House and Imo State Government House and Ebonyi State Government House and Abia. Any governor among you, I know they are telling you now to give this Fulani land in Igbo land for Islamization. They are planning. If you try it, it will take a course for your generation. And this is the warning to all the 5 state governors in Igbo land. Imo, Anambra, Ebonyi, Abia, Enugu, all the 5 state governors in Igbo land. This is a warning to you people. Any one of you used because of money, used because of political power, used because of position you will get from government, and you accept for this Islamization, you accept them to give Fulani land in your state, God of heaven will judge your generation. As I said before, that Igbos, when you come to Nigeria, we have different tribes in Nigeria, and Igbos are the only tribe you will see the Jews. Igbo is the only tribe you will see the Jews. And the same Igbos, they are persecuting them, maltreating them. The same persecution Israel are passing in their state, in their country, the same way in Igbo land here. They are persecuting, maltreating Igbos, both in politics, in anywhere. If any governor give all this Fulani land in this Igbo land, God of heaven, who created heaven and earth, will judge you. Igbos are the children of God, and they have covenant with God. So you, broke demon governor in Igbo land, if you try to give Fulani land in Igbo land, if you try to do it, you will receive curse forever and ever. If you try it, I see some of them now. I see some of them, what they are doing now. They don't accept them. They are accepting this evil small. You can't try it. God, that is the same God that protected the Igbos 1967 to 1970, during the time they want to wipe out Igbos on this earth. What they did to Israel. There was a time, both 7 days war, both Hitler, there was a time they planned to wipe out Israel. But they couldn't do it because God who created heaven and earth, the Israelites, God who created heaven and earth are with the Igbos. So you, governor, if you try it, that is the same God that protects our ancestors in 1967 to 1970 will judge you. That God who protected our ancestors will judge you. Check it in all Nigeria. Igbo is the only tribe in Nigeria that you will see the Jews. Check it. The Jews are many in Igbo land. Jews are many in Igbo land. There are many. Go and check it in all the tribes in Nigeria. Only Igbo is the praise. They are only tribe that are Jews in Nigeria. And that is why they are facing all this persecution, challenges, persecuting them, maltreating them bad. The same thing that Israelites are going through. In 1967 to 1970, more than 8 million Jews, they killed them in Nigeria, called Biafra. In Nigeria, we have different tribes in Nigeria. The only tribe you will go, you will see Jews in Nigeria. That tribe is Igbos. Igbo. Igbo is only place, is only tribe. If you come in Nigeria, the only tribe you will see the Jews is Igbo. 1967 to 1970, more than 8 million of Igbos were slaughtered by the Nigerian government, sponsored by the Britain. One bishop, he said that he's from Igbo. His ancestor is from Igbo land. And Igbo, they call them black Jews in Africa. So as I said before, that Igbo is the only tribe in Nigeria you will see the Jews. Is only Igbo tribe. As I said before, the same way they are persecuting, fighting against the Israel, the same way they are fighting against Igbos. That is why during the 1967 to 1970, they want to wipe out Igbos in this earth. They want to wipe them away. The same thing they did to the Jews. They want to wipe the Jews out. The same persecution, the same threats Israel are receiving in their country, the same threat that Igbos are receiving in Nigeria. Igbos are Biafra. But the world keeps silent for what Igbos are going through in Nigeria. The world keeps silent what the Igbos are going through in Nigeria. They keep silent. They massacre them, millions of the Jews. Massacre them in 1967 to 1970. Massacre them even till today. Igbos are facing persecution in Nigeria. Look at the way they want to Islamize Nigeria. The terrorist Islam are coming to Nigeria to Islamize Nigeria, conquering many states in Nigeria. And that is why Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of Biafra, which is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, is a Jewish man. He's a Jewish man. During when the Nigerian government want to kill Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, he traveled here from Israel. That is why you saw Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in Israel, in Jerusalem. Because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that stood up talking about Biafra, he knows exactly what he's doing. They want them plan to Islamize Nigeria, bombing churches, killing Christians, and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have discovered that these people want to Islamize Nigeria. He said no. He stood up, said no, I need Biafra. I need Biafra. I need Biafra. That black Jews, they will separate themselves. They will not be among the people that will be Islamized by the Nigerian government, sponsored by the British. And that is why Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is inside cell today.